How to download OBS Studio on your MacBook. So in this video, I'll show you how to download and install OBS Studio. Now, first thing you'll need to do is go and load up an internet browser. In the search box, type in OBS Studio and press search. Now click on the top website, which is obsproject.com, and then you'll need to scroll down and select your operating system. So because we're on a MacBook, we're going to select Mac OS, and then you need to select your Mac version. Now, if you're not sure which one you're using, you can click on the Apple logo and click on About This Mac. Click on More Info, and then from here, you'll find your serial number. And what you can do is you can go and search for this online, and this will tell you which Mac OS you're currently using. So for me, it's going to be Mac OS Intel. You could then click on the Downloads folder at the top of this page. Once it's finished downloading, go and open up the downloaded file. You'll then see this window here with OBS and applications. So all you need to do is drag this OBS icon into the applications folder like so. Now once this is done, it will install the app onto your Mac. So now if you come over to apps at the bottom of the page, you could then search for OBS, and you can now go and open up the application straight from here.